Hello, loves. Somebody asked me one time in the comments if I ever fixed anybody else's cake, and it's weird that you asked that because yes, I have. I couldn't find the comment anymore. I had a guy friend who was desperate. He called me. He's like, I had this girl make my cake for my girlfriend and it just looks hideous. Can you please fix it? He's like, I didn't ask you because you were booked. So I was like, okay, I have like an hour on my hands. Why don't you bring it by? And honestly, it was not very nice looking. So he waited with me while I took the fondant off. I added my own fondant and then I made it like a quilted look and I added some pearls and there was a Chanel logo on there. I changed the Chanel logo for him. I spruced it up. I fixed it. I told him, no, I can't really post this because technically it's not my work and she's gonna know the person who made the cake and I really don't want to hurt her feelings. So then he ended up wanting to give me, money for my time. And I was like, no, don't worry about it. It was just an hour. It's no big deal. And he's like, yeah, but your ingredients and whatever. I'm like, it's okay. Don't worry. He wouldn't take no for an answer. He ended up giving me $50. And I was like, you know what? Just put it in the orphan box. I was happy to make his day. Hello, loves. So growing up, I used to look at things and wonder how they worked. For example, traffic lights. I always used to think there was this woman who sat up in a high tower and she'd just watch all the traffic lights and then coordinate them, and like each section was devoted to a different person. And I always used to pull Demi Lovato from Camp Park and be like, wow, she's really good. And it wasn't until later on in life that I realized, no, they're just timed. And I'd laugh at my kid thoughts. Anywho, was there something that you guys used to think about when you were younger and then you grew up and you're like, oh, I was completely wrong? Hello, loves. You guys remember Bob, my friendly ghost, and how he would always shut the pantry door? I think it annoyed him that it always stayed open. Weirdly enough, my husband gets annoyed that it's always open too. Anywho, now he turns the water off when I'm trying to wash my hands in the bathroom, and I just think it's the strangest thing. COVID is going around, so why would he do that? I even caught him this time. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna catch you doing it, and I set up a camera while I was washing my hands. Bob needs to chillax. Hello, love. This video came on my For You page and I just could not just leave it alone. So I have this extra cake here that you see and I wanted to go ahead and make it up for my daughter's friend Shannon. Anywho, I am going to go ahead and finish this cake and sell it and donate the money to charity on your behalf. And I wanted to wish you a special happy birthday because no one should feel down on their birthday. So this is your happy birthday cake, your virtual happy birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. No need to feel blue. I hope that this makes you feel better. This cake was made just for you. Happy birthday, love. Hello, loves. First, I want to thank you guys for taking me out of my TikTok rut. Oh my God, you guys did it. You're so amazing. From my last video, I did not expect to wake up to that. It's been weeks and you guys fixed it. Thank you. Now on to something a little more serious. I sent the story to Tizzy End, but I don't think he saw my message yet, so I'm just going to post it here. A teacher in Maplewood, New Jersey recently just ripped off the hijab of one of her students and told her that she doesn't have to wear a hijab in school anymore and that her hair is beautiful. Now, regardless of whether you agree with the hijab or not, regardless of what age you think somebody should wear it, or should not for that matter, she embarrassed that little girl. This is utterly and completely wrong, and I don't care what anybody tells me. You should feel safe and comfortable at school, especially with your teacher. It's so upsetting. Hello, loves. Nope, it's not the money video yet. They did not, celebrate the party yet, so hopefully tonight when he sends it, I promise I'll post it right away. But this is a minimalist cake, and I do get asked often to create something like this. This is actually for my son's brother's sister, so it was kind of last minute, but they are neighbors. Well, they live like a block away, but they are neighbors. And I told her, that's fine, I can squeeze you in. Hello, loves. You guys remember Bob, my friendly ghost, and how he would always shut the pantry door? I think it annoyed him that it always stayed open. Weirdly enough, my husband gets annoyed that it's always open too. Anywho, now he turns the water off when I'm trying to wash my hands in the bathroom, and I just think it's the strangest thing. COVID is going around, so why would he do that? I even caught him this time. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna catch you doing it, and I set up a camera while I was washing my hands. Bob needs to chillax.